A bread machine is essential for anyone who loves fresh, homemade bread without the hassle of manual kneading and baking. It simplifies the process, allowing you to enjoy a variety of breads, from classic loaves to gluten-free options, with minimal effort. Investing in a quality bread machine ensures consistent results and the pleasure of freshly baked bread at home. In this video, we are going to introduce you to the top 5 bread machines that you need for easy and delicious homemade bread. So let's find your perfect match. Number 5. Hamilton Beach 29888 Bread Maker. The Hamilton Beach 29888 Bread Maker is designed for ease and versatility, starting with its removable lid that simplifies cleaning. Equipped with a viewing window, you can monitor the bread-making process without disturbing the cycles. The lid also features an automatic dispenser for fruits or nuts, holding up to half a cup of mix-ins, which it dispenses seamlessly into the dough. This bread maker comes with an intuitive control panel featuring a selection dial. Choose from 14 pre-programmed cycles, including basic, gluten-free, artisan dough, and even jam. The settings are conveniently listed on the lid, making it effortless to find the right program. Weighing 15 pounds, this sturdy appliance stays in place during kneading, provided it's on a stable surface. Its stainless steel design ensures durability while complementing modern kitchens. The 2-pound loaf capacity is perfect for families, and its express baking cycles let you prepare bread in under 2 hours. The setup is simple. Add ingredients to the non-stick pan, load it into the chamber, and lock it securely. The machine takes care of everything, from kneading to baking, then keeps your bread warm for an hour. The pan, paddle, and other accessories are dishwasher safe for quick cleanup. A thoughtful manual includes recipes for everything from dinner rolls to sweet jams, and it's easy to experiment with your own mixes or packaged bread kits. Looking for a reliable and feature-packed bread maker? The Hamilton Beach 29888 is a smart choice. If you're ready to upgrade your baking game, click the link in the description to buy now. Number 4. West Bend 47413 High-Rise Bread Maker. The West Bend 47413 High-Rise Bread Maker is designed for convenience and versatility, offering 12 menu programs for a wide range of baking needs. From basic white bread to gluten-free loaves, French bread, and even cakes, this machine caters to every home baker. Its dual kneading blades ensure thorough dough mixing, resulting in evenly textured bread every time. The adjustable loaf sizes, 2 pounds, 2.5 pounds, and 3 pounds, accommodate different preferences, while 3 crust color settings allow you to choose light, medium, or dark finishes. This bread maker features an intuitive control panel with an LCD screen displaying active settings and a countdown timer. You'll know exactly when your bread is kneading, rising, or baking. The custom menu option lets you adjust kneading, rising, and baking times to create personalized bread recipes. Safety and usability are key. The polarized plug ensures proper electrical connection, and the compact cord stays out of the way. The nonstick bread pan is easy to clean, just soak it in warm water and soap. Built-in alerts notify you when to add ingredients like nuts or raisins, and a keep warm function ensures your bread is ready to serve when you are. For troubleshooting, the machine comes with tips to address common baking challenges, like adjusting ingredients for optimal loaf texture and size. It's built to handle pre-packaged bread mixes and includes a 1-year limited warranty for added peace of mind. With its impressive features and user-friendly design, the West Bend 47413 High-Rise Bread Maker is a must-have for any home baker. If you're ready to elevate your bread-making game, check out the link in the description to order yours today. Number 3. Cuisinart CBK 200 Bread Maker Machine. The Cuisinart CBK 200 Convection Bread Maker is a game-changer for bread enthusiasts. With its sleek stainless steel design and impressive functionality, it brings professional-grade bread making to your kitchen. This machine offers 16 pre-programmed settings, including options for white, whole wheat, sweet, French/Italian, and even gluten-free bread. Unique to this model is its convection baking feature, which ensures a crispier crust and evenly baked loaves. You can select from 3 loaf sizes, 1, 1.5, or 2 pounds, and adjust the crust color to your preference. The horizontal loaf shape mimics traditional bread loaves, making it ideal for sandwiches. Its intuitive control panel and included recipe book simplify the process, while the appliance handles kneading, rising, and baking seamlessly. One standout feature is the machine's ability to alert you to remove the mixing paddle before the final bake, minimizing unsightly holes in your bread. It also includes rapid cycles for faster preparation and a pause button for convenience. Whether you're making artisan dough, pizza crust, or even jams, the Cuisinart CBK200 is up for the task. Cleaning is effortless with its non-stick pan and paddle, both of which are dishwasher safe. At 16.5 by 10.25 by 12 inches and weighing 16 pounds, this unit is sturdy but does require ample counter space. While it's exceptional for basic bread recipes, more intricate bakes like quick breads or enriched loaves may need extra care to achieve desired results. If you're ready to elevate your home baking game with a reliable and versatile bread machine, the Cuisinart CBK200 convection bread maker is an excellent choice. Click the link in the description to bring this exceptional bread maker home today. Number 2. Breville BBM 800XL The Custom Loaf Bread Maker. Breville BBM 800XL The Custom Loaf Bread Maker is a powerhouse designed for home bakers who demand versatility and performance. Its large loaf capacity accommodates up to 2.5 pounds, making it ideal for families. This bread maker features a sleek brushed stainless steel exterior with a viewing window, allowing you to watch every stage of the bread making process. Despite its size, it fits under most kitchen cabinets, though its robust build makes it better suited for countertop placement. The automatic fruit and nut dispenser is a standout feature, conveniently adding ingredients at the optimal time during mixing. It also includes 2 paddles, a flexible paddle for dough and a fixed one for jam making. With 13 preset options, including whole wheat, gluten-free, and sweet dough settings, the machine lets you explore a variety of recipes. 9 custom settings allow you to save your favorite recipes for easy access. The intuitive LCD display simplifies operation, showing the program stage, loaf size, and crust type selection. You can even set a delay timer for up to 13 hours, ensuring fresh bread whenever you want it. Performance-wise, this bread maker delivers consistently light, even loaves, particularly at its largest capacity. Smaller loaves may have slight unevenness in shape, but taste and texture remain impeccable. Cleaning is straightforward with a non-stick bread pan and removable components, though care is needed to avoid submerging parts in water. The manual provides clear guidance, including tips for ingredient handling and program customization. From artisan bread to sweet treats like maple pecan loaves, this bread maker excels at all. Its premium design, functionality, and consistent performance make it a worthy investment. If you're ready to elevate your bread making game, check the link in the description to bring this incredible bread maker to your kitchen today. Number 1. Zojirushi BBPDC 20 Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus. Zojirushi BBPDC 20 Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus is a premium bread machine designed for both novice and experienced bakers. This versatile machine features 13 programs, including options for basic bread, whole wheat, jam, dough, and more. Special settings cater to salt-free, sugar-free, and vegan recipes, providing customizable baking solutions for any dietary preference. The machine also includes 3 homemade programs that let you adjust the timing of each stage, making it ideal for experimenting with unique recipes or slow-rising doughs. The Virtuoso Plus creates 2-pound rectangular loaves, perfect for sandwiches or everyday use. Equipped with dual kneading paddles, it ensures thorough mixing and consistent results. Its initial resting phase gently warms the ingredients, eliminating the need to bring refrigerated items to room temperature beforehand. An additional rapid bake option reduces baking time, delivering fresh bread in just over 2 hours. This bread maker's robust design includes a large viewing window to monitor your dough's progress and sturdy handles for easy bread pan removal. The stainless steel build ensures durability, while the non-stick baking pan makes cleaning effortless. A delayed timer allows you to schedule baking, ensuring warm, fresh bread exactly when you need it. Included with the machine are a liquid measuring cup, dry measuring cups, and a dual measuring spoon, all tailored for precise recipe execution. Whether you're crafting traditional loaves, artisan creations, or specialty recipes, this machine adapts effortlessly. For home bakers seeking reliability and performance, the Zojirushi BBPDC-20 stands out as an exceptional choice. Its customizable features and durable build make it a long-term investment for your kitchen. Click the link in the description to explore the Zojirushi Virtuoso Plus and elevate your bread-making experience today. Thank you for staying with us. Feel free to share your thoughts and questions in the comments section below. Let us know which product review you'd like to see next. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, thump this video up and share it with your friends. That's all for now.